I have a serious problem. Come on, come here. Let me tell you. Let me tell you what my problem is. Okay, I have a problem, y'all, with buying stuff. Like, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and click that button. Bow, click it, bow. You did it, bow. Okay, cool. I'm giving y'all to the sauce to all the coolest, you know, all the hottest black-owned brands out there on the market right now, y'all. Because with everything going on in the world, I'm just over it. It's time that we take our money and invest it back into black businesses and black communities and get that money circulating back within the black community. I guess we can start with our hair stuff first. So hair product, this company I found, they're called Shadabi, and pretty much it's a black owned company. This lady started it, and she basically is all about natural hair care for hair and accelerating hair growth. So that's what her products are all specialized in, and keeping and locking in moisture. This conditioner is so nice, y'all. It's so thick and moisturizing. Like, it's different than other conditioners, because like as you can see, it's flipped upside down. You turn it upside down, like the stuff still will not come down. So like, it's really, really thick, and it's really good for locking in moisture. If you're suffering from dry hair, like, this is for you. It'll prevent the breakage. Also got their growth hair scalp elixir, which is awesome. This is my second bottle, y'all. Like, this ain't even the first. This is my second bottle. I've been going crazy. It also has hair, skin, and nail vitamins too, and I take those twice a day as well. I've been taking it for about, like, this is my second month. So I feel like they really work, and I'll show y'all a video of before and after of my hair growth. After I take these braids out, I'll do a video in between before I get my hair braided up again. Braids or not. Okay, I actually bought this product a long time ago, and I got her pretty much her whole hair care line as well. But this lady, her name is Donna K, and I actually met her at the Bronner Brothers hair show, and she was really, really nice. What I liked about her products was that I could read every single ingredient on the back of them. Yes, I knew what it was. I just have their daily moisturizer, their hair growth oil, which is almost gone. I've had this for a while. And I got their defining custard jelly, which I love on a good wash day where I just want to wash and go. Or I have like a slick back pony, and like my hair is slick but my pony looking a little, ooh, it need a little pop. I'll spray my hair down, put a little this in the pony, and pop it out. Okay, pop it out, pop it out. Ow, ow, ow. And lastly, I have their hair and body butter, which I love. I love putting this in my hair because it's like shea butter. But ooh, it smells so sweet. Like, you want your body to smell like this. You want your hair to smell like this. It's really good to use in twist outs. I've used it in twist outs. Yes, like this butter and the daily moisturizer cream. This butter and the daily moisturizer cream is the combo you need to hydrate your hair, and that's the other thing about hair growth. We all want our hair to grow long, strong, and beautiful, and like the main thing with that is retaining moisturization, and that's how we're gonna retain our length. Getting them ends trimmed, boo, in between them protective styles. This wonderful black woman, black queen, she created Honey Pot as a way to use natural products that are feminine care products that aren't harsh for us sensitive ladies. And honestly, these things is fine. This is the best. Like, you literally use it one time, you can tell the difference. Like, I cannot go without these products again, and they were really hard for me to get my hands on because they're sold out everywhere. I finally was able to get my freaking hands on it. So I got the sensitive foaming wash. I use it every freaking day, and honestly, I don't know what I would use without it. Like, it has lavender, vinegar, and candula in it, and the vinegar is really good because it's good. Vinegar is pH balancing. It will balance your pH, so for that to be in this is perfect for you.
Your vagina will love you.
The suppositories are boric acid and earth. They have boric acid, which is a natural antifungal fighting agent, and it also has cocoa butter, which helps moisturize, and tea tree oil, which is an natural antibacterial fighting agent. So these are so good, especially if you know you can pop it. Okay, yeah, if you're doing that, and especially at the end of your cycle. So if you're having sex at the end of your cycle, and just if you're like going through any hormonal changes in your body, I think these are really good to use because it just helps you set everything back right, get you snapping back on the balance. Because I know sometimes after our cycle, things feel out of whack. Like, I think 14 come in it, but honestly it says use 2 a day for a whole week, but I don't even think that's true. Like, I use 2 a day in the beginning, and then for like 2 days, and then after that I used 1 at night because I was like, I don't think I need 2. Those products are just top tier for feminine care, and they also sell like pads, tampons, all that. So if you're looking for a feminine care brand that's all black owned and natural, Honey Pot is for you. It's for you. Highly mega recommend. 10 out of 10. Love it. But the next company I want to talk about is Honey Bunny. Honey Bunny was created by this cute little girl named, I think her name is Naya. Yes. Naya and her sister Zuri, they're so cute. They're like little kids, like babies. Look at the card. Oh. But yes, their products are all natural beauty, like lotion, body butters, deodorant, exfoliators, and honestly, this is the best stuff I've ever seen, and I'm talking about better than Josie Moran. Okay. Y'all know I love Miss Josie. It's better than First Aid Beauty butter. Like this butter I got, body butter I got, is cherry almond. It smells so good, and it has all natural ingredients. Like, I can literally read off to you every one: grapeseed oil, shea butter, coconut, cocoa butter, cerebellina, plant-based scented oil, and vitamin E oil. This thing smell good, y'all. Girl, if you smell like this, your man gonna be like, I tell y'all, yeah, this is probably my favorite item out of everything because it just smells so good. It's so hydrating on your skin, bruh. Like, ooh. But yes, this one is so good. It has like cherry oil, rosebud oil, hibiscus. Like, ooh, it smells good. Last thing I got was their two of their deodorants. I got lavender lime and tea tree and orange. I used to start using tea tree and orange first, but they both smell amazing, and I like that they sell them in these paper containers because saving the earth. And it's recycled material, so that's a plus. Now we're going to get into the skincare. This is actually kind of what delayed the video the longest because I had to wait for the lady to get her products in to be able to send the stuff out to us. They don't just have a bunch of stuff just sitting waiting to be bottled, like they make it to order. So her name is Marla Renee Beauty, and honestly, every person I saw using her products was black, which I liked for one, so that I could kind of see like, okay, this does work for girls with skin like mine. So versus like other products, I got the Glow Finesse Discovery System, and honestly, this system is what's gonna be the get back right of my life. This will be a demo video coming soon, so I don't want to go too in depth about it. But yes, Marla Renee skincare poop. Get you some. And she's also really nice. Like the customer, I don't know if it was her that answered the phone when I called, but whoever answered was so nice when I was asking them questions about orders and whatnot. They were super kind and letting me know like what was going on. So shout out to them on the customer service. I ordered from a few clothing companies. So the first brand I'm going to highlight is Six brand. And honestly, I think they're based out the UK, so it did take a little minute for me to get my stuff. But when I did, girl, see, this is a mini skirt set. So it come with this. This is a skirt. It's ruched on the sides. And then, boom, it is pow. It's real fitted. You can dress this outfit up or down. You can put it on with some heels or some sneakers. You'll be good to go. The next thing I got from that website was this beautiful, cute little white dress. I actually got this dress to take pictures in it for my graduation, and it looked so beautiful. This dress is honestly so freaking cute. Look at it. Look at it. And it's like off the shoulder, very classy, but you know, nasty. We all know So Real, and he's based out of Fort Lauderdale. And he has the cutest stuff. The quality is nice. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, their quality is really good. Like, Fashion Nova, Pretty Little Thing, I would never get my money again because quality. Okay. So these are like stacked sweats. I know they look crazy, but I got them in 2 colors. They're really thick and warm. So these are gonna be cool. I mean, it's cool to wear now, but like I know when it gets cooler in the fall, these are gonna be a banger. So yes, I got those. I don't think I got them in a size large because I didn't know how his stuff ran. And I also got them in gray. They're super cute, super comfy, like I said. And I also got this top as well as a cute little crop tee. And very cute, go buy. And next is my friend Dominic. Oh my god, I love him. He is hand sewing all these embroidery kind of shirts, and he does things where he can print stuff on the shirts. But aren't these so dope? It says black. So his clothing brand is called 333 Element Clothing, I believe. Yeah, I believe it's 333 Element Clothing. Let's double check. Let me double check. I don't want to be incorrect. Because that's what you don't want to be, is incorrect. If you incorrect, you will go to jail. If you incorrect, you will go to jail. It's 333 clothing brand, but like the 3 is in the word element. So 333 clothing, get at him. I love it. And I got one for me and my mom. My mom has the black one, and the black one looks really clean too. So next was this company called Blanco, and honestly, me showing you guys this, y'all gonna be like, okay, but I'm gonna insert a picture of the girl wearing it so y'all can see. But this company is black owned. She has this lingerie brand that has a lot of cute pieces, and I got one. So yeah, this is Blanco. Her thing, it is a 20% off your entire purchase, and I'll put this promo code in the description box. So if you guys want to go order some stuff from her, you can use that code. This is the last, my favorite brand. The one, not my favorite out of everyone, because I love all the other brands too, but this one I was really excited to order from. It's the Tiana Wiley collection. Ooh, woo. Yeah, like her stuff is handmade, and it's like so cute, like on your body. Like, ooh, this is the Foxy Brown set. It's a mini skirt, and it's this top. It is so freaking cute, and it ties in the front. Like, woo. She is doing it, okay? She has a bunch of cool prints and stuff, so check her out. And this is the Wiley card. And her card is very cute, very cool. So yeah, like everything she makes is handmade out in California. Thank you guys so much for watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Because you know, if you ain't subscribed right now, you just hard-headed, because I told you to do it already early in the video, and don't make me get on you like I'm your mama. Okay, but I love you guys. I'll talk to you next time. Don't forget to go vote, get registered, sign up for your absentee ballots. All right, I love you guys. Bye, toodles. See y'all later. Toodles.